Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Word offers a variety of page layout and formatting options that affect how content appears on the page. Now you can customize the page orientation, paper size, and page margin depending on how you want your document to appear. So let's look at page orientation. Now Word offers two page orientation options, that is landscape and portrait. Landscape means the page is oriented horizontally, while portrait means the page is oriented vertically. Now let's look at how to change page orientation. Select the Layout tab, then on the Page Setup group, click on the Orientation command, then choose the orientation that you want. So currently it's on Portrait, then if you want you can change it to Landscape, and it will change its orientation to Landscape. Take it back to Portrait, and that's how it will look like. Now let's look at page size. Depending on your project, you may need to adjust your document's page size. Now to do this, under the Layout tab, on the Page Setup group, click on Size. And from here you can choose any size that you want. You can work with an A3, you can work with an A4, I can also work with an A5, just like that. Now you can also change page margins. Now a margin is the space between the text and the edge of your document, and you can format page margins in your PC. To do this, select the Layout tab again. So under Layout, click on Margins, and from here choose the margin that you want to work with. So I can choose Moderate. So first I'll take this back to the Portrait, then the size original document. Then under Margins, I can choose what I want to work with, and you can see it changes the size. The margin size, I can do mirrored, I can do office, and you can see the changes that have been made. So I'll put mine back to normal, and that's how you change margin size in your documents.